In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GitHub organization, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're looking to collaborate on projects with a team or simply want to keep your work organized, creating a GitHub organization can be incredibly useful. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to GitHub's website. Just type in GitHub into your preferred search engine and hit enter. The official GitHub site should be one of the top results, so go ahead and click through to the homepage. Once you're on GitHub, you'll either need to sign up for a new account if you don't have one, or log in if you're already a member. Signing up is quick and easy. Just follow the on-screen prompts to get your account set up. If you're already a regular user, simply log in with your credentials. After you've accessed your account, direct your attention to the upper right corner of any GitHub page. There you'll find your profile photo, which you should click on. A drop-down menu will appear before you. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the area where you can adjust various options pertaining to your account. Now, over in the sidebar, you'll notice different sections. You'll want to look for the one labeled Access. Once you find it, you'll see an option named Organizations. Click on that option, and you will enter the next phase of setting up your organization. You'll now be in a section specifically for managing organizations. Look for the Organizations header. Right next to it, you should see a button labeled New Organization. Go ahead and click that to initiate the creation process. GitHub will now guide you through a series of prompts to set up your new organization. You'll need to name your organization, and GitHub will let you know if your chosen name is available. You'll also provide a billing email address. This is important for managing notifications and any billing-related matters that might arise in the future. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, you'll have the opportunity to review your organization's details. Make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, your GitHub organization is created and ready to go. Remember, you can invite others to join your organization and start collaborating on projects together. This is an excellent way to keep all your team's work in one place while taking advantage of GitHub's powerful features. Enjoy exploring all the possibilities your new GitHub organization has to offer.